Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth audio not working on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Bluetooth. After click on Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth mode. Sorry. Turn on Bluetooth mode, turn off Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, restart device. Click side power button. Click and hold side power button. After click and hold side power button and you will see restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, scroll down and click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone. After click on reset phone and click on reset network setting, enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. Go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to, and click on system and update and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth audio not working on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.